Hello guys, Tatan Zuleta here, and today I want to ask you a few questions. Have you ever wondered how do I retouch my images? Have you ever wanted to get into the high-end retouching world and you don't know how to start? Well, today I bring you my high-end retouching digital course so you can learn and practice all the techniques that I've learned through the years. I'll go step by step with my workflow so you can follow along. It's a series of videos. You can play them, pause them, go back and forth however you want it so you can learn at your own pace. So if you're that person that really wants to learn about high-end retouching, you're in the right place. So join me in this high-end retouching digital course that I just made just for you.